In this video, we'll use factor analysis to describe the variability in observed variables in terms of a smaller number of unobserved variables or factors. For this example, I'm using the socioeconomic dataset that's available in the sample data directory. Factor analysis can be performed from two different platforms in JMP. The first is Analyze, Multivariate Methods, Principal Components. In the Principal Components launch window, we'll cast our numeric columns into the Y column role. JMP offers several estimation methods, but for this example, I'll leave this on default. When I click OK, JMP will return the basic Principal Components output. To request a factor analysis, we'll go to the red triangle and select Factor Analysis. Displays the Factor Analysis specification window. Here, we can designate a factoring method and the prior communality. We can also specify the number of factors and our desired rotation method. JMP offers many rotation methods, but for now, we'll leave these on the default. When I click OK, JMP returns several outputs, including the factor loading plot and the rotated factor loading matrix. The rotated factor loading matrix is especially useful for understanding what our factors mean. In this case, we can see that factor 1 is generally related to socioeconomic status, as median school years, professional services, and median house value load strongly on this factor. Factor 2 seems to be related to labor force condition, as total population, total employment, and professional services load strongly on this factor. To save the rotated factor loading components, we can return to the topmost red triangle and select Save Rotated Components. Factor analysis can also be performed directly by going to the Analyze menu, Consumer Research, Factor Analysis. Here, we'll again specify all of our numeric factors as Y, and click OK. By default, JMP displays the eigenvalues table and scree plot, allowing us to diagnose visually the number of components to extract. In this case, I'll leave the defaults and click Go. JMP returns the factor analysis as before, including the significance test, rotated factor loadings, and factor loading plot. Additional options are available under the red triangle, including the option of saving the rotated components to the dataset.